Jeb Hanwerger, treasuries are rallying. The 10-year is now flirting with the 2% level. Again, what's the impact on gold?
Treasuries are rallying on fears of a slowing economy in the U.S. after weak economic data was released. We are also seeing a growing rise in economic and geopolitical uncertainty, increasing in the Eurozone, so this is causing the treasuries to rally. This is actually very beneficial for precious metals as a safe haven asset. Investors should keep a close eye on France, which has an election May 6th. We may see a possible changing of the regime. We have to remember that Sarkozy has been one of the central players in this whole debt crisis, and it's appearing that the European leaders are unable to manage debt loads. Austerity measures are failing. U.S. in an election year as well. A lot of uncertainty, very beneficial to precious metals.
We're also seeing strength in the dollar, and that's not helping gold. Are we going to have to wait for poorer-than-expected economic news to force Ben Bernanke's hand?
Right, and that's what we saw last week. We saw the central bankers. Bernanke is well aware of what what you were saying, and he has changed his tune at the last meeting. This is where we're seeing some support with gold at $16.25, and silver's been able to hold the $30 area. He stated that central bankers stand ready to add stimulus measures. This was definitely a hint at a possible QE, where the Fed prints dollars to buy bonds, keeping interest rates artificially low so the government can pay down rising debt levels, stimulate growth, and devalue the currency to punish savers and to transfer capital into the risk-on assets. So we believe that the winners will be the investors positioned in the tangible assets such as precious metals and commodities. We just saw Australia today cut interest rates more than expected from 4.25% to 3.75%. This is the biggest reduction in 3 years. So as long as the central bankers are seeing that inflation has been contained, they're going to continue to make accommodative moves.
This market is
stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to